right. Right? Hey! Get the fuck out of here. What do you want to know about this? Get the fuck out of here. Take that shit to the dry cleaners. Now! Sorry. Long day. Where was I? Okay. Well, a human body is like 80% moisture, right? How much do you weigh? 165? 170? Now, figure if you could somehow extract 80% of that, you'd have, give me a second here, 34 pounds of like solid, not meat, it'd be more like beef jerky, you know, but with hair and bones and teeth, shriveled up tattoos and whatnot. No, probably like this big. In any event, you're starting to follow my drift here, Pappy? Because somebody has some money that belongs to Louis. Is it you, perchance? Is it you that has some money that belongs to Louis?
No, no.
Is it?
No.
Is it?
No.
No? You sure? Yeah. Okay. I want to start this thing and leave. What do you think, permanent press or delicate? Supposed to be appropriate if I asked you if you have change for $1.
I got it. I got it.
All right, calm down. I just need 4 quarters.
No. I got Lewis's money.
Oh. You got it?
Yeah, I do. Well, I got some of it anyways.